Hi there, it's John from NETGEAR. I want to talk about our latest product, one of our new switches. We have two new switches we announced. One you're going to be amazed at. It's the MSM 4320. That's the model number. The cool parts about it are it has locking Neutrik connectors. Yay! So finally, people have been asking about this for a while. So let me walk you through that. On the front panel, we have 8 etherCON connectors. So that, of course, positive locking for Ethernet, fantastic. You can still, of course, plug in a regular Ethernet cable if you need to, but those are locking in the front. We then also have an optional interface card slot. We'll give you one card with the unit from the factory, the base level model, and that comes with an SFP, 4 SFP ports. So that's cool for most installations. You can use whatever module you want to put in there for the uplinks. But we also have 3 other cards you might want. One's just a regular copper RJ45 card, but the other ones are optical CON, so again, Neutrik connectors for fiber connections. We have one card for single mode fiber, one for multi-mode fiber, and within there you can put your modules inside the card and then plug the card in, and you have plenty of bandwidth and plenty of capabilities for long distance cabling with fiber, of course. So those are options. You can buy those separately. So you can get the base model to begin with and of course upgrade as you need to. You don't have to do that right away, no problem. The other thing on the back of the unit then are the powerCON connectors. So those are awesome. As we know, locking power is crucial, and these are powerCON True 1 connectors from Neutrik. That means you can connect or disconnect under load. So if there's some situation at a live event and you've got to swap out a switch, you can disconnect, plug it back in, and be ready to go without having to turn power off to that switch. That's huge. So that's all wrapped up into one package, MSM 4320, and that's of course available from Digibox.